Is this your first time investing? If you're a novice investor, then you have come to the right video. Let me walk you through the process of investing in cryptocurrencies. Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. This is Chad Confirmed, bringing you the hottest news in the crypto world. Recently, we have witnessed a wild rise in the value of cryptocurrencies, and there are a lot of reports showing individuals who have amassed fortunes in Bitcoin. So, investing today is one of the most critical things you can do. To begin, let's discuss what Bitcoin is and how it operates. Now, digital transactions are what's popular these days, like PayPal or Cash App, and it operates differently, having a medium or a third party in between to handle the exchange. To put it another way, although it appears to be straightforward, it's not directly transmitted. There are dangers to these kinds of exchanges, like the possibility of getting hacked, since everything is done digitally. Using third-party systems might have risks of cybercrimes, juicing money from your account little by little that it often goes unnoticed. In addition to that, large corporations might steal your personal information and sell it for money or personal gain. This happens so many times and very frequently that it somehow became a common occurrence. Because of this, the creation of cryptocurrency became significant, and it sets itself apart from the digital transactions. In contrast with the third-party transaction, peer-to-peer transactions are the simplest method to describe how Bitcoin works. Cryptocurrency has a unique identifier that is composed of a set of numbers and characters that serve as an address to easily send money. In that sense, there is no risk of transaction being compromised using this method of payment, and it is very secure and reliable. Cryptocurrency has three major characteristics: fast peer-to-peer transactions, worldwide payment, and low processing fees. These all contribute to its overall strength and convenience. If you're an avid reader and want to know more about the details, I recommend you read the official white paper by Satoshi Nakamoto. To give you a broad concept of what Bitcoin is and how it works, this is a good place to start. Now that you have a slight background knowledge of Bitcoin, what can you say about it? Is it something worth recommending to other people? I would like to know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you have friends interested in getting to know more about how cryptocurrency works and how to invest, then share this link for them to watch. Moving on, let us discuss Bitcoin's transaction process. This is how a Bitcoin transaction usually works. It's done in two stages. First, a transaction is entered, and then it's sent to a worldwide network of computers. Those are the folks who will be responsible for mining Bitcoins using this data. Afterwards, a network of computers uses equation-solving software to verify the transaction's legitimacy. Once a transaction is determined to be valid, it is grouped into blocks. A permanent record of all transactions is then created by connecting these blocks. The transaction is thus complete. It's practically a no-brainer that it's called a blockchain since it uses blocks. So, we are going to be focusing on one of the most widely used trading applications today, Coinbase. They're safe and they're backed with Silicon Valley investors. This platform is used by several top-tier cryptocurrency dealers. So, I will be guiding you through the process of buying Bitcoin and Coinbase so that you may do it effectively today. You don't have to go all in, just do what seems right for you. So there are two processes depending on what device you are using. First, I will be explaining how it works on the website itself using a computer, and I am going to be explaining how it operates on the mobile app as well. Okay, so in the website, Coinbase.com, of course you have to have an account first. If you have an account already, then proceed with the sign in, and if not, then you may create an account to start. After that, in the homepage, there is a buy or sell option found on the upper right hand side of the screen. All you have to do is click on the buy panel to select the asset you would like to purchase. Then, you have to manually enter the amount you would like to buy denominated in cryptocurrency. Select your payment method, whatever works for you and is accessible. Next, click Preview Buy to confirm your purchase. Check the details shown in the screen if correct, and to move on, simply click Buy in order to complete your purchase. Just a side note, under the amount, there is a shortcut that says One-Time Purchase. If you click on that, you can make it a recurring purchase or modify how often you would like the purchase to repeat. As simple as that. On the other hand, if you are using the mobile app, just follow these 5 simple steps. Step number 1. Tap the plus sign Buy on the Home tab. 2. Select the asset you'd like to buy. 3. Enter the amount you'll be buying. Step 4. Tap Preview Buy to review your purchase and make the necessary changes. And finally, Step 5. You can go ahead and tap Buy Now to complete your purchase. The same thing goes with the recurring purchase option. Now that you have learned how to invest cryptocurrencies in Coinbase, you can put that into use by applying what you have learned today right away. You can purchase or sell as little as $2 of cryptocurrency. Remember, stay vigilant and invest well. That's all for today. If you learned something new, like this video and make sure you hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our uploads. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are on this video. Kindly subscribe if you haven't already. This is Chad Confirmed, signing off.